When everyone is happy, that means we've done our job. And when they write us to tell us they're impressed, we're excited to share the great news. We hope you enjoy this fantastic review. Great experiences like this one fuel us to maintain the highest level of satisfaction possible. Making everyone happy is our strongest motivation, and we strive to make them happy each and every day. We love reading reviews like this, and we hope it gives you the confidence to use our services in the future. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from everyone, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and superior service can help you. Call us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.